morning, ay, afternoon. You know, nandito na naman ulit kami sa, anong tawag? Diwalwal. Yes. Alam niyo ba, napaka-lalim ng bangin nito. Ay. Alam niyo ba, napaka-lalay. Oh, where are you going? There are my friends. Look, somewhere over the rainbow, no. They are, because, you know, and they are my friends too. Say hello, guys. Say hello, guys. Say hello. Oh. Sir, look. Hello. Wow, balay ni Rizal. Sis, nice cake view, sis. Medyo ni Bayi. Say biya sa YouTube. Oh, tingnan nyo, napakaganda ng view dito. Oh, wow. Oh, they are my friends pala, oh. See? Yan, mga feeling artista yan. And syempre, hindi naman ako magpapabackdoor. Alam nyo na. Say hello, guys! Wow.
Welcome to Haunted House.
Numero siya ba ay?
Haunted House pa na namo.
Very affordable. Saon. Say hello, Idilit. Hello. Say son, everyone. Say hello. Kay save ko ni sa YouTube taon, maluoy mo. Dapat photogenic. Diba? Oh my right. Ay, guys, nako. Punta lang kayo sa Diwalwa kung gusto niyo mag-emote, kung gusto niyo makipag-bonding with your friends. Napakaganda rito. I'm promise. Cause try to figure out, ha? Watch the mountain. Watch the view. See? Ang ganda, no? Nako! Nakikita talaga buong pagadian dito. See my friends. Bye, guys. Bye, Momo. Chup, chup.